If you're looking to use Navan for remote work travel, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick, no-nonsense explanation of how to use Navan to streamline your travel management and make remote work on the go easier than ever. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll be ready to use this tool like a pro, and I'll even let you know how you can access a completely free trial, along with some exclusive bonuses. First off, Navan is a powerful all-in-one platform designed to help remote workers manage their travel, bookings, and expenses without the headache of juggling multiple apps and services. It's perfect for companies or individuals who need a simple solution for handling everything from booking flights and hotels to managing itineraries and reporting expenses. Let's dive into how it works. When you sign up for Navan, the first thing you'll notice is its intuitive interface. You're able to easily set your preferences for flights, accommodations, and other travel needs. The platform works with your specific travel policies, ensuring you stay within budget without sacrificing comfort. It's not just about booking a flight, it's about managing the full experience all in one place. One of the best things about Navan is its ability to automate and simplify your travel management. Instead of going back and forth with booking agents or dealing with multiple emails and confirmations, you can book everything in a few clicks. It aggregates flight, hotel, and car rental options, allowing you to compare prices and find the best deals without leaving the platform. But that's not all. Navan also makes it easy to manage and submit expenses. Whether you're on a business trip or a remote work vacation, Navan ensures that your expenses are tracked and organized. It automatically categorizes your expenses and creates reports, saving you valuable time on administrative tasks. If you're traveling to a new destination for remote work, the platform even provides recommendations for local activities, co-working spaces, and restaurants. So whether you're looking to get some work done or relax, Navan's got you covered. For remote workers, this is a game changer. Imagine being able to focus on what you do best, your work, while Navan takes care of the logistics. And since remote work often means flexibility, Navan lets you book travel on the go, whether you're on a laptop, tablet, or smartphone. You can access all your travel details, adjust itineraries, and even make changes to bookings right from your phone. Now, if you're new to Navan, don't worry, it's incredibly user-friendly. There's a brief learning curve, but once you've set up your preferences and familiarized yourself with the dashboard, it becomes second nature. You'll be managing all your travel needs in no time. The best part? You can get started with Navan today for completely free. All you have to do is click the link below and take advantage of an exclusive offer for a free trial, plus some additional bonuses to make your experience even better. To wrap up, Navan is an excellent tool for anyone in remote work who needs to streamline their travel experience. With its simple interface, ability to manage bookings and expenses, and added perks like travel recommendations, Navan makes remote work travel effortless. Remember, you can start using it today at no cost with our special extended free trial. Don't miss out. Click the first link below to claim your free trial and start making travel management for your remote work a breeze.